Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to get discounted Adobe Creative Cloud. Alright, let's begin. First of all, if I go to the Adobe website and look at all the plans for Creative Cloud, you can see that the prices are not cheap. So what you need to do to get the discount is go to a website called Top Cashback. Once you get to this web page, all you need to do is sign up. It's a free website, so just sign up using the required credentials and you will be redirected to this web page. Here, click on the search bar at the top and type in Adobe. Once done, give it a go and an offer will appear at the top. You can see that there is an offer for 101% cashback. You just need to click on it and a new page will appear. Here, click on the Get button and you will be redirected to the Adobe website. Now, get to the plan section, look for the preferred one, and then get through the procedure of buying it. After you buy a plan, you will be able to get a cashback into your Top Cashback account. So that's basically how you can get discounted Adobe Creative Cloud. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.